PMP certification is for sure the most prestigious project management certification around the globe with nearly 1 million holders. While there are several benefits of having a PMP certification, there are certain PMP PDU requirements to retain this invaluable certification. Make sure you comply with the PMP PDU requirements while attending PM activities, and learn how to get PDUs for PMP certification renewal. In this video, we will explore the PMP PDU requirements and how to get PDUs for PMP. What are the PMP PDU requirements? PMI forces PMP certification holders to earn PDU, professional development units, to renew their certification. The main motivation behind the PMI PDU program is to ensure the continuous learning of PMP certified professionals and keep up the pace with the changing dynamics of the business world. To earn PDU hours, you need to perform certain types of project management-related activities. Let's dive into the details of PDU. What is PMP PDU? Professional Development Units, PDUs, are 1-hour blocks of time that you spend learning, teaching others, or volunteering. By accumulating and tracking these over your certification cycle, you can maintain your certification status with PMI. Typically, 1-hour project management activity counts for 1 PDU. PMI enables the submission of PDUs in fractions as well. If you attend a 30-minute project management webinar, you can submit 0.5 PDUs in your profile. PMP contact hours vs. PDU. While we are talking about PDU, there is another term, contact hours, which is commonly confused with the PMP PDU hours. Contact hours is a term related to project management training requirements for PMI certification aspirants. For instance, PMI requires 35 contact hours of project management education attendance to apply for PMP certification. What are the main differences between contact hours vs. PDU hours? The contact hours must be instructional, while PDUs can be self-learned. To be able to earn contact hours, they must be instructional. It means that an instructor or tutor must be actively teaching for the required hours to earn the contact hours. On the other hand, PDUs can be learned from instructional activities, as well as self-learning activities. For instance, you can earn PDUs while you are reading a business blog. However, you cannot earn contact hours by reading a resource. Therefore, if you are not a PMP certified professional yet, you need contact hours to satisfy PMP certification requirements. However, if you already have a PMP certification, you need PMP PDU hours to renew your PMP certification. 60 PMP PDU in a 3-year cycle. PMI requires certification holders to earn PDUs in 3-year cycles. The requirement for each certification track is different. For the PMP certification, certification holders must earn 60 PMP PDU hours every 3 years to renew their certification. Below is an infographic from the PMI website about PMP PDU requirements. Let's explain each of these steps in detail. PMP PDU Categories. There are 2 main PMP PDU categories. Education PDUs can be earned at professional seminars, webinars, classes, or even self-directed learning. Giving back to the profession. Giving back PDUs are for time spent volunteering, mentoring, working with professional groups, and more. PMP PDU requirement for certification holders is to collect 60 PDUs through a maximum of 25 Giving Back PDUs and a minimum of 35 Education PDUs. However, there is no cap for Education PDUs. You can earn all 60 PDUs in the Education category. Hint: you can earn 60 PMP PDUs by enrolling in the SFBS PMP PDU course online program. The 35 Education PDUs also have other requirements. Reporting at least 8 ways of working project management PDUs. Reporting at least 8 business acumen PDUs. Reporting at least 8 power skills PDUs. There is a maximum PDU reporting cap for the working as a professional subcategory of the Giving Back PDU category. If you're working in a project management-related job, you can report up to 8 PDUs under working as a professional PDU category. How to get PDUs for PMP certification renewal. As we've outlined in the PMP PDU categories, there are two main ways to earn PDU: education and giving back. PDU courses are a way to earn PDU credits in education category. Education category for earning PMP PDUs. There are 6 different subcategories under the education category to earn PDU hours. Let's explore these. 1. Course or training. Instructor-led formal education courses or classes held in person or online belong to this category. Virtual and in-person instructor-led courses from PMI training. Online courses are available on demand. Academic education through programs accredited by the PMI Global Accreditation Center, BAC. Training courses offered by PMI authorized training partners. Discipline Agile or PMP registered certification training courses offered by a PMI authorized training partner. Courses from other third-party providers. SFBS 60 PMP PDU course online program belongs to this category. 2. Global events. Meetings and events that bring together the global community are another way to earn PDUs. These events include educational sessions, keynote, and featured speakers. Typically, you can earn 7 to 50 PDUs by attending these events. 3. Local meetings. Local activities and events that are related to the project management profession count for PDUs. Often held at PMI chapters, these are also a great opportunity to network. These meetings earn typically 1 to 2 PDUs. 4. Online or digital media. Self-paced learning is conducted online or through varied forms of digital media. The SFBS Free PMP PDU course online program belongs to this category. 5. Reading. Self-directed reading relevant to the certification you hold can be claimed for PDUs. For instance, reading a project management-related blog, a business education blog, or a book can count PDUs toward renewing your PMP certification. 6. Informal learning. You can earn PDUs by engaging in structured professional discussions with others, for example, mentoring or lunch and learn sessions. For instance, if you're giving a presentation to your colleagues about project management, you can submit this as PDU. Giving back category for earning PMP PDUs. Giving back to the profession is a unique opportunity for you to expand your knowledge and skills while growing both personally and professionally. Although not required for recertification, earning Giving Back PDUs is a great way to expand your horizons. Here are some popular ways that you can earn Giving Back PDUs. 1. Work as a practitioner. By working in your certified role, you can earn PDUs by applying your knowledge and skills in a practical setting. If you're working in a project management-related role, you can earn up to 8 PDUs as working as a practitioner. This is a very common question asked by many PMP certified professionals. How many PDUs can I claim for working as a practitioner? Answer: PMI accepts a maximum of 8 PDUs in a 3-year cycle for the work as a practitioner category. 2. Create content. Do you write articles or blogs? Give webinars? Make videos? Today's digital world is full of new content, and anything you create counts towards your RACE certification. Typically, you can submit PDUs for the hours you worked on project management content creation. For instance, if you wrote a blog post for an hour, you can claim 1 PDU in your PMI profile. 3. Give a presentation. If you speak at your organization, at a PMI chapter event, or at a conference, you can claim PDUs for it. For instance, if you gave a speech in a project management activity for an hour, you can submit 1 hour PDU for this activity in your PMI profile. 4. Share knowledge. Others can benefit from your experience and knowledge. Keep track of the time you spend mentoring and teaching, and claim it towards recertification. An example of this can be sharing your knowledge in a discussion group at work. If you have a group of professionals sharing knowledge, if you attend those activities, you can claim PDUs. 5. Volunteer. PMI is just one of many organizations that relies on volunteers. Why not become one and earn credit toward recertification in the process? You can search for volunteering options at the PMI website.